If you don't like the background of your video, no worries, you can just change it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the background of your videos in Instagram Edits. I made something special just for you. The Reels Blueprint is a free guide that shows you how to plan, film, and post short-form videos that actually feel like you. Grab yours using the link in my description and start showing up on camera with confidence. Woo woo! Okay, so I'm in Instagram Edits and I want to film in here, but my background's kind of boring, it's just one color. And if I want to change my background to make it more dynamic, then what you're going to do is you're going to press this head with like the cutout, the change background icon. It's the second one down, and then you're going to click change background, and you're going to choose which photo or video. You can have a video. You can trim the video to have just the part of it that you want. Select it, and now it's going to show the video behind you. You also have options of changing how big you are. So just use your fingers and you can pinch and move it around. You can rotate it, and it's going to allow you to just maybe talk about what's in the video in a more dynamic way and appear there on the side. You can also do this if you're actually editing. So if say we're in a project here and I want to talk about what I'm doing right here in the clip, you just click on the clip and then you add green screen, and it's going to automatically put that clip behind you, and then you can adjust yourself too, and then you can talk about what's in the clip. So hi, in this clip I am doing blah 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 blah, and then when you're done, it's going to have that clip with you talking, and it's just going to extend that clip for as long as you're talking so that you can still have you with that clip behind it. And if you talk longer than that clip, it's just going to loop that clip from the beginning. Do you have any real questions? If so, let me know in the comments, because I use those to come up with new video ideas. Thanks for watching, and until next time, peace!